I'm here back at the house, about to put all the groceries up. About to put all the groceries up in the refrigerator and stuff. Yeah, I'm a little tired. I'm about to put it in my empty refrigerator right now. But it's about to be, you know, have some food in it. In here. We'll take the pizzas out of the boxes and put in there. Some chicken wings from the meat store. Put that in there. Bag of fries. The chicken thing. Look like I'm gonna have to start putting some meats in my deep freezer. Got some bacon. I'm gonna put, I'll put one pack in the refrigerator. Other packs go in the freezer. Got some go-go squeeze to go in the refrigerator. Put cheese and stuff in here. Get all the little things like this from up there. The little go-go squeezes. Put the oranges in the tray down here. More of those. The ranch dressing and stuff. Go in there. Lemon stuff. Put a pack of bologna in here. The French fries and the cheese. Let me see if that's going there. That can go in there. The bananas and my lettuce. Put it down there. And the kids' Pediasure. Some more chicken wings. And some pigtails. Ooh. Look like my food is pretty full. And the kids' chicken nuggets, we'll put them, might have to put them in a door. I should rearrange some stuff. Might have to put these. Okay. Put that right there. That chicken nuggets right there. some burgers. Switch it up like that. I got some green link or put it right there. Put it right there. Yeah. Now I'm about to open the refrigerator up and show y'all the finished look. About to open the freezer. This is everything that I got in the freezer. There's some stuff behind here too. All up back there. And I got everything placed nice and neatly. And yes, that's the freezer. And we about to show you the refrigerator. Well, a little bit in the refrigerator. But we got some stuff. Ain't got to be 2-pack. I don't like a real packed refrigerator, no way. Yeah. The lettuce. Yeah. The bananas, everything. And right there. So I'm gonna leave the rest of that go-go squeeze in the box. Ready to put their chips, some of their chips on the snack rack. This is the kids' snack rack with their chips on it. So yeah. So stay tuned. Some parts of my video did not load, so I just had to get the video out anyway. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you all enjoy my video. But if you did, don't forget to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always, thanks for watching. Bye.